Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Zoom end-to-end encryption for meetings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable end-to-end encryption for your Zoom meetings, start by opening the Zoom desktop client. Sign in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the settings option located in the upper right corner. In the settings menu, select the security tab on the left side. Scroll down until you find the option for end-to-end encryption. Toggle the switch to enable end-to-end encryption. Keep in mind that enabling this feature affects all meetings and webinars scheduled under your account. Now, return to the main Zoom interface and schedule a new meeting. In the meeting settings, ensure that Use end-to-end encryption is checked. This will ensure that the meeting is secured with end-to-end encryption. Inform your participants that they will need to use the Zoom desktop client or the mobile app to join the meeting. Additionally, remind them that some features will be disabled when using end-to-end encryption. These include cloud recording, live streaming, and breakout rooms. Once all settings are configured, send out the invitation to your participants. As the host, start the meeting and confirm that end-to-end encryption is active. You can do this by checking the meeting information at the top of the screen. Your meeting is now secured, and participants can join with peace of mind knowing the content is encrypted. Ensure to inform attendees about the importance of using updated versions of the Zoom client. This is crucial as only specific versions support the end-to-end encryption feature. By following these steps, you have successfully enabled end-to-end encryption for your Zoom meetings, enhancing the security of your communications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.